India's COVID-19 cases jumped from 10 lakh to 20 lakh in 21 days. Then it took 16 more days to race past 30 lakh, 13 more days to cross the 40 lakh mark, and 11 days to go past 50 lakh. From a model city hailed for its COVID-19 containment efforts, Bengaluru city is now witnessing an exponential rise in the number of cases during the last 2.5 weeks. Bengaluru now remains to be second worst hit city and has been accounting for most number of cases in the state for the past few months. Before unlock, the situation was under control there, but the city is now witnessing a steep rise in the number of cases since June. On 4th September, 2,963 people tested positive in Bengaluru. At present, the tally of active cases there stands at 98,564, of which 822 are admitted in ICU.
How many cases do you think India has in total?
I guess 60 lakhs.
60 lakhs.
3.5 lakhs.
Right now, I think there are beyond about 3.5 to 4 lakhs.
लगभग एक 50 से 55 लाख के करीबन है.
It's about 4 lakh.
Approximately more than 95,000.
95,000.
Yeah.
All right. And you?
More than lakh.
More than a lakh.
Our team of GoHash Bengaluru found out that majority of the people in Bengaluru do not know the number of cases and casualties of COVID in the country and neither in the city. And to do a ground reality check, our team went to different departments and spoke to various officials to know what the actual truth is.
So I'll be moving into the burial ground to take a visual of how COVID deaths and burials are going to be performed. And I'm already in a PPE suit and it's already feeling really hot. It's a very thick material. Let us see how the burials have been carried out. So I'm standing at the burial spot designated only for COVID-19, and you can see there's a JCB that is usually needed to dug the graves, because these graves are not like the normal graves and they need to be dug 8 feet below the ground. So like you can see, there are already 2 graves ready to be used and there are already burials outside waiting, and the formalities are being done and processed, and the burials will later be carried on here. Let us talk to the people who are on the site on every day and ask them what are the real challenges like and how scary is the whole COVID-19 situation. So I'm standing with Abdul Rahman Khan, who is one of the officials of the burial ground. Let us ask him how scary is the whole COVID-19 situation, since he assists in mostly Muslim burials that happen at the burial ground. So sir, tell me, what was the highest number of cases that you saw in a day?
हाल ही में ऐसा लगा कि डेली 40-50 तो 5 हाईएस्ट 58 रेट ऑफ डेथ हो गया था इधर.
Okay.
ओनली मुस्लिम बरियल्स में.
Okay.
तो कब्रस्तान में बहुत से कब्रस्तान बंद थे, सिर्फ 3 कब्रस्तान थे. कुद्दूस साहब, मैसूर रोड का मकान और टैनी रोड का शादाब कब्रस्तान मकान.
Okay.
हम लोग इधर पे दिन रात करके, आपका एक दिन था 2 दिन थे, हम घर में भी नहीं गए.
Okay.
इधर कंटिन्यू ड्यूटी कर लेके 48 आवर्स ड्यूटी करके हैं इधर हम लोग.
Okay.
अब कोविड के बरियल बॉडीज को लाते बैक टू बैक बरियल बॉडीज होती रहती थी.
Okay.
उसके बावजूद भी नॉर्मल डेथ भी ज्यादा हो गए.
Okay.
ज्यादा होने की वजह से तादाद बड़ी हो गई और कब्रस्तान के अंदर हम लोगों को जगह नहीं थी. आदमी लोग अपना मैन पावर कम हो गया था. बाहर से हम लोग को मैन पावर लाना था, लॉकडाउन की वजह से ला नहीं सके. फिर भी हमारे कब्रस्तान के लोग, फिर भी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमारी ट्रस्ट की जानिब से जेसीबी का अरेंजमेंट हुआ. जेसीबी का अरेंजमेंट होके नॉर्मल डेथ चार्जेस कर रहे. किसी को नॉर्मल डेथ को जो चार्जेस करते हैं वो चार्जेस में हम लोग बरियल करते थे. कोविड को ज्यादा पैसा नहीं लिए, कुछ भी नहीं लिए. एक्स्ट्रा जो भी एक्सपेंसिव आता है, जितना भी एक्स्ट्रा खर्चा आता था, वो खर्चा पूरा हमारी टैनी रोड ईदगाह जदीद ट्रस्ट के जनाब यल मोहम्मद इकबाल साहब, रिजवान साहब, दीगर अफराद जो ट्रस्टियां हैं, उन्होंने सब मिलकर हमने मदद करे. फ्री प्रोवाइड एम्बुलेंस करते थे हमारे को.
Okay.
जितना भी अखराजात यहाँ से कब्रस्तान का खर्चा ज्यादा बढ़ जाता था. अफरादों को पैसा देना था, पैसा नहीं था, पब्लिक के पास पैसा नहीं था. कोई लाते बॉडी डाल के चले जाते. हम लोग ऐसा जाके ऐसा अच्छे हमारे ट्रस्ट की जानिब से.
So this particular grave that you see here is of a husband and wife that died within a day, and both of them died due to COVID. On this particular burial ground, there have been more than 200 cremations that have happened due to COVID. So we have Dr. Zeba here at a BBMP fever clinic where the RT-PCR tests and the rapid antigen tests have been carried out for different patients and people here. Let us ask her, how has the cases and the number of testings gone up or gone down? Tell me, doctor.
See, right now what has happened is the cases have gone really up because the testing has increased. We are
Okay.
doing testing at every level, commercial establishments, residents, everywhere we are doing testing. So we have increased the number of testing. So obviously now, since India has reached the community spread stage,
Okay.
so right now we are having more number of tests and more number of people turning positive. But the good thing is they are mostly asymptomatic patients.
Okay. So now that you say that India has entered a community spread stage, how bad is the situation out there and how much safety should a common person take?
See, the situation is bad. Like as we know that India is the second topmost country that has got COVID tests, COVID cases also. So the situation is bad, but what the thing is, like, people are taking it very casually. When you go out, you don't see that there's something like we are in a pandemic situation.
Right.
So that's why it's just that people have taken it lightly. It's just that they have come out, but the pandemic is not over. The pandemic is still going on and increasing day by day.
Right.
The only thing is we are screening people. That's how we are getting to know about all these things.
So like we know, ASHA workers have been going door to door and have been convincing people to get their RT-PCR test done. We have two ASHA workers here with us, Nafis and Yashoda, who've been going. Let us ask them what are their struggles been. तो आप जब किसी के घर पे जाते हो कन्विंस कराने के लिए, स्पेशली प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन को, क्या प्रॉब्लम्स होती है आप लोगों को, क्या क्या देखने मिलता है?
पहले में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उनको समझाना है कोविड टेस्ट क्या है क्या नहीं और समझाना है। बाद में उनको कन्विंस करना है और उनका डाउट क्या है उन्हें पूछते हैं हमको। नहीं उनको ब्लड लेते हैं, वो लेते हैं, मीडिया में दिखाते हैं, डायरेक्ट एम्बुलेंस में डॉक्टर देते, कुछ फैसिलिटी नहीं मिलता है, ऐसे बोलते। हम लोग समझा नहीं, ब्लड कोई भी नहीं लेते, तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा टेस्ट है नाक में ऐसे करते हैं, उसमें ठीक डरने की कुछ बात ही नहीं है। हम लोग कितने लोग खड़े हैं हमारे हॉस्पिटल में, कर देखिए फर्स्ट उनको आकर देखते हैं, उन्हें मान लेते हैं। ऐसे में आप बोले तो अच्छा है, अच्छा वो बोले आप हम कर लेते हैं।
तो आप जब जाते हो, हमने देखा कि बहुत आशा वर्कर्स पे अटैक्स हुए हैं, लोगों ने बहुत आड़ा के भेजा है, कुछ ऐसा हुआ है। आप लोगों के साथ ऐसा कुछ इंसिडेंट हुआ है आपको?
एक्चुअली वो हम कैसे बात करते हैं उनके पास, वो और क्या कम्युनिकेशन जो इम्पोर्टेंट है, कैसे कम्युनिकेशन करते हो ऐसा कैसे बात कर एक्सप्लेन करके क्या है क्या नहीं है, क्यों करना है, नहीं करे तो क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम आता है, एरिया में कैसे स्प्रेड होता है, आपके हेल्थ के लिए हम बोलते हैं, ऐसे समझाइए तो समझ सकते हैं।
Okay.
So while the health officials figure out how to flatten the curve which seems to be bulging in Bengaluru, you would do well to stay home, mask up, constantly wash your face, avoid touching your face and venturing out unnecessarily. That was me, Noor Zahira for Go Hash Bengaluru. Until next time, stay home, stay safe.